Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on TIA. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you a very big rising wedge that TIA has formed on the daily time frame chart, and this is one of my last videos. And now if I take you to the live chart, then you can see that it has broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern and testing this quite strong support here at $11.50. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared almost 6 days ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared 6 days ago with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal bad move. You can see it was completing the final leg. In fact, after the completion, it was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some price correction, and once it will be re-entered inside this wedge, inside this buying zone, then we can expect another reversal from here. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and again dropped down and entered the buying zone once again. And now I'm expecting that from here, it can start another reversal to the upside. Before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move on 19th of December 2023, a few days ago. And you can see this move was formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 31% pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that was formed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And I shared this idea on 27th of November 2023 with my members. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 182%. Very, very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of TIA. And this is the daily time frame chart. And previously, I've been showing you this symmetrical triangle that was, by the way, formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. Let me show you that triangle as well. And I was telling you that after breaking out this triangle, in fact, when I shared this triangle with you at that time, after the breakout, it was retesting this triangle, this previous resistance of the triangle as a support. And I was telling you that after a successful retest, we can expect a very massive rally, and you can see that it has rallied very well. And now on the daily time frame chart, it has formed this very big rising wedge. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see it so far it has rallied almost 678%. Here you can see. And recently, you can see that we have broken down the support of the rising wedge pattern. But now, if we take a look at the stochastic and RSI oscillators, then you can see that stochastic formed this low here. The next low is quite lower than the previous low, and it has almost entered the oversold zone. And if we take a look at the RSI, then you can see it formed this low here, and the next low is forming lower than the previous low. At the same time, you can see that the price line is not able to form another lower than the previous low. In fact, it is forming higher low than the previous low. And the reason is this very strong support zone here that we have here at from $11.50 and goes to $10.80. That was previously working as a resistance zone here. And now for the past several days, it is working as a support zone. Therefore, there is a probability that we may have another correction move to the upside. And during this price correction or reversal move, the price line can make another attempt to break out this very, very strong resistance of $15 as well. That is, you can see for the past several days, breaking as a resistance. And in case of breaking out this $15 resistance, this previous support of the wedge can again work as a resistance for the price. And I'm expecting that it can re-enter this rising wedge pattern. And once the price line will be able to re-enter the rising wedge pattern, then an imminent move can be possible up to the resistance of the wedge somewhere here at $25. And in case of breaking out this rising wedge pattern, once the price line will be able to break out, first we need to break out $15 resistance, then the support of the wedge that can now break out the resistance, then it can make another attempt to break out the resistance of the wedge. And for example, if we will have a breakout from here, from somewhere here. Then the target to the upside can be approximately here at $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.